folks, Grant here. Take you on a little walk, beautiful walk after work here. Sun will be setting soon, it'll get dark and the temperature will drop, so I'll take you on a little walk. It's very beautiful here, very beautiful. So anyways, I thought I'd stop here after work and check out some places to do metal detecting and go for a little walk. Bo Wiemet, the Aqua Trigger, has really inspired me to make more videos and a little more entertaining, I guess. And check out his channel, the Aqua Trigger. He's a great guy, and he's the one who got his own show on the History Channel starting this month. So he'll be metal detecting over in England with another diver gentleman. So be sure to check him out. And check out his YouTube channel. He's been on YouTube for 11 years now, and he's he's an awesome guy. Check him out. So let's move on. Like I said, very gorgeous here, and wanted to do some video to show you. So the still photos are nice, and actually the still photos are beautiful, but take you on a little walk, and then we'll head back where I came from, and we'll end up at the bridge, and it goes further. The creek goes further, but we'll do that maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow's supposed to be nice, so. Anyways, this is actually this is my first time doing this too. I've never been on this trail. Spring is in the air. Lots of robins are doing their call, so that's nice to hear. And to get rid of this snow. I'm not a winter guy. And there's a busy street just right over there, so you're going to hear the traffic, city traffic. But at least this gets you out of the city, in the city. In fact, I may title the video that. So here we are. And like I said, I'd like to bring my detector along here, see what goodies we can find. Anyways, I hope to do a squirrel. There he is. Oh, he's looking at you. Can you see the squirrel? He's looking at us. I think he's gonna bite us. You think so? Maybe not. Anyways, I want to do more videos detecting and showing you different places in Colorado, and even new places that I haven't been to myself, even though I've been here 20 years. Let's go check out the ducks over here. Probably tick them off. Well, this is going to be gorgeous when it gets warm. The problem is it's going to be pretty thick, so we might not be able to get through here as easily. Beautiful, gorgeous day. It's about 45-ish. So, yesterday was gorgeous also. And like I said, spring is definitely in the air. Thank goodness. It's supposed to be in the high 40s, low 50s throughout the weekend and then into next week. Next week is a little snowish, rainish possibility, but then it warms back up to 50. So thank goodness for that. Yeah, I don't know if detecting would be good at all around here, or if I'd find mainly just garbage. I'm thinking garbage. Here's a little marshy area. Got some cattails there. And maybe this is the end of the line. We'll head on back and I'll show you the other part. There's the cattails. Watch out for water moccasins. They're out to get you, or get me. So, anyways, okay, so we'll turn around and I'll show you the other wooded area. So, yeah, I'm excited for warm weather, so we can go to the high country and explore some mountain, not only towns, but mountain hiking areas. And I can bring the dogs along with me so they can get out. And all right, so I guess we'll head back this way. Yeah, that breeze, even though it's so nice, that breeze has a chill in it. And I don't know if a front is moving in. Can you see the dark skies there? Somebody ticked the ducks off. All right. We could go along the bank there, or we could go this way. Let's check over here. And I may try, although I've only done it briefly as a kid, I may try snorkeling with a face mask and see if we can do some underwater stuff. Maybe. So here we are. And the sun is setting, giving that nice glow. There's a nice shot. All right. Yeah, I wish we had, even though we have the mountains here, and I hope I'm not making you dizzy by flipping the phone around like that. Even though we have the mountains here and the beauty, I kind of wish we had caves and, stuff like that we have in the Midwest or on the East Coast. Bo always goes into cave areas and exploring and seeing where they go, which I have a fascination too. Although we do have mines, but the mines are usually off limits. So unless you go in there illegally, but we won't tell anyone. All right. There's where we came from. right over there. Nice bank to sit on, relax and enjoy. Maybe have a lunch or something. We got trails going that way, but we'll go this way. Looks like not only have the beavers been busy, but so is the city, kind of thinning it out. And up ahead, I showed you last year, I believe, the beaver hut, but he's got a mess of cut down trees up there, 1 or 2 beavers. They're nice, but they make one hell of a mess. You can see through the trees there's playground equipment because the sidewalk is up there. I don't know if you can see it right there. But I prefer the wooded areas. A little more, or a lot more interesting. Boy, is this gorgeous. Holy cow. It was hard to even enjoy, well actually I didn't enjoy that cold weather. It's just too darn cold. I mean, you're out there for a little bit and your hands start freezing, and you know, after that I don't need to tell you, you're back in Wisconsin, so you know all about it. But Grant greatly dislikes winter and the cold weather, and I'm not a ski person or anything like that, so if it was 72 all year round, I'd be happy with that. Let's see. This isn't the trail I was on before. I wanted more wooded area. Let's see what's over here. I always like going off the beaten path, so it's a little more scenic and not in that routine path that people walk on. Alright, as you can see, we still got snow, but it's going away fast, so that's good. I'd like to check out the banks over there too. Okay. Well, I heard a bunch of robins earlier, and oops, almost fell. I'd like to get that in the video too. Kind of give spring is in the air call. Robins and blue jays and, oh, my favorite, red-winged blackbird by the body of water. I heard them yesterday when I was down by the creek. And this is only like a mile. This is only like a mile from where I live. It's just right down the road. So. And when I go walking, I go on the west side, in that area of the creek and trail, the Bear Creek Trail. So, okay, here, still got ice and snow. I must have came on the other side because I didn't walk through here. So I don't have my boots on. I only have shoes, so let's kind of cut through here. Oh shit. Okay. All right, there we are. Oh, and that bottle, that hidden bottle of Jägermeister, I found it and dug it up. It had to have been right in this area. So right in here, maybe right in there. Can't remember which. Let's go over here. Check out this. It'll be a short video, but I don't want it that short. So I'll check out something. There's a somewhat of a stream that used to come through here at one time. Depending on the amount of, we got a bunch of snow in the mountains. So once that melts, it may come through here pretty good, because this is all snow melt. So we'll see if the rivers rise and the creeks. So I'll go over here. Okay. I'm paying attention to the camera and I almost fall and trip myself. Oh, and there's the bridge. There's another one that goes off in there. All right. Okay, here's the back on the main trail. There's the bridge. All right. Oh, and I apologize. The hobo Jägermeister bottle that I found was across the bank there. Yeah, somewhere's over there, I believe, or by those trees. Maybe right in there. And then the other night, when I was down here, I was digging. Well, my detector was signaling, and I was digging and digging and digging, and it was up here. I think it was up here. No, it was somewhere in here. Anyways, I was digging and digging and digging, and you know, it was about 8 inches deep, I want to say, and all it was a pair of old pliers. So that was a disappointment. I was hoping for some gold buried deep from many moons ago, but it was a pair of rusty old locked up pliers. So I'll take you on the other side of the bridge, where I've done some detecting and exploring also. We won't go the main trail. We're going to go across the bridge and then into the wooded area, which I prefer. So all right. So yeah, you see the trail. Trail goes further that way, and it keeps going there, turns, and then it turns into sidewalk where people are running, and it keeps going all the way for quite a ways. Well, I would walk 5 miles, so it's a pretty good jaunt. So anyways, here's where you've seen some of my pictures. So, and then let's see. Now we'll go down here, and then I'll show you that dried up creek bed that I found some coins in, and where I found all those bullets too. That live ammo. So we'll go through here. Yeah, even though I idolize Bo and the what he does, which is so entertaining, I also watch The Wandering Woodsman, and he goes off on places and explores differently, kind of like what I want to do, and the reason for this start of the video. So The Wandering Woodsman is really good also. So he was at a house, well, the video that he posted today, a 1700s house, which is really fascinating to me, because I love history, and to see that structure still standing after all these years. So anyways, we'll keep on trucking. Alright. And these were here yesterday. Here's that dried up creek bed, although that may change depending on the amount of melted snow up in the mountains. There's still a little water up here, as you can see. Then there's also a backpack that I found up here of some homeless person. Walk on the side of the bank and hopefully not fall in. Alright. To go up. Alright. Yeah, this is where I found all that live ammo, all those 6 bullets here in the dried up creek, as well as some lousy pennies. So, no, yeah, see that the backpack was in there, so somebody's got it. I guess they don't call them transients for nothing. Alright, so see if we can get through here. Alright. Okay, now we're approaching the pictures that I took yesterday. And that wind's picking up. So, like I said, I don't know if a front is coming in or what. Now in the summertime, you come over here and there's a bunch of frogs that live down in there. So that'll be nice to hear and see when it warms up. Shoot. Looks like I'll have to go around. Okay. Alright. I'm going a different way than I went yesterday, so that's why I gotta turn around. Alright, so we'll go this way. Let's see. How did I do it yesterday? Did I come down here? No, yeah, okay, I went this way. Alright. Okay. Oh yeah, I went through there yesterday. Okay, so we will go through it again. Cut through here. All right. There we go. All right. All right, so there's somebody's dog up there, out for a walk. I heard something else up there. Wonder if it's a wild animal that was trying to get me last night. All right. We won't go any further. I don't got my boots on. So, all right, folks. Well, thank you for joining me and watching my video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Mountain medaling here in Colorado. And we'll do some more exploring adventures and detecting. Find some goodies, maybe. And I'll see you in the next round.